Among these lotus leaves, a craftsman searches for something hidden beneath the muddy water. Hidden beneath the mud are freshwater mussels, and this ordinary shell is where the transformation begins. He carefully cuts along the edge, opening the shell without damaging it. After opening the shell, he carefully removes the mussel, leaving the shell clean and ready for the next step. Now the shell is washed carefully, removing every trace of mud and residue. Even the smallest traces of dirt have to be removed before the shell can move to the next stage. Once cleaned, the shells are carefully collected. But this is only the beginning of their transformation. After washing, the clean shells are laid out to dry naturally under the warm air. Once completely dry, the shells are ready for the next transformation. Now the dry shells enter the fire, beginning the transformation that will turn them into a fine mineral material. After the fire makes the shells brittle, they are crushed and ground into a fine white powder.
The shell powder is then combined with silica and mineral pigments, creating the mixture that will eventually become colored glass.
Now the carefully prepared mixture enters the furnace, where intense heat begins to transform the powder into molten glass. Inside the furnace, the mixture has transformed into glowing molten glass. Now the real artistry begins. The tip of the glass is heated until it becomes soft enough to shape. With nothing but simple metal tweezers and pure muscle memory, the artisan fights against rapid cooling and gravity. They pull, pinch, and fold the molten drop. With nothing but simple metal tweezers and pure muscle memory, the artisan fights against rapid cooling and gravity. They pull, pinch, and fold the molten drop. A petal takes shape in seconds.
A stamen appears from a sliver of fire.
One mistake, 1 second of hesitation, and the glass shatters from thermal shock. Piece by individual piece, the red-hot elements are fire-fused to a central stock. Piece by individual piece, the red-hot elements are fire-fused to a central stock. By sculpting peonies and lotuses, the artisan isn't just making a decoration. They are paying homage to cultural symbols. A real flower blooms for a fleeting week before returning to the dirt. This is what makes liuli extraordinary. Through fire, patience, and incredible precision, an ordinary material is transformed to something that can preserve the beauty of flower for generations.
Captured forever in glass.